Happy New Year! This is Andy Chambers. Thank you for joining me for today's update. We remain bullish on the stock market based on the strong monthly reversals in October. All of the charts we're going to look at look like they could have good upside potential right now. We're going to start by taking a look at the index tracking stocks. The first index tracker we'll look at is the DIA. The DIA tracks the Dow. The next upside target for the DIA is 140. That equates to about 14,000 in the Dow. Key support for the DIA lies at the October low of 103.84. Next, we'll look at the OEX. The OEX tracks the S&P 100. The OEX had a strong month in October, and it appears to be ready for a further advance. The next upside target for the OEX is 635, with key support at 488. Next, we'll look at a chart of the SPY. The SPY is a spider that tracks the S&P 500. The next upside targets for the SPY are 150 and 160. Key support lies at the October low near 107.50. Next, we'll look at the MDY. The MDY is the tracking stock for the S&P Mid-Cap Index. The next upside target for MDY is 180, with key support near 130. Next, we have the IWM. The IWM tracks the Russell Small Cap Index. The upside target for IWM is 84, with key support at 60. The last index tracking stock is the QQQ. The QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100. When it looked like the market was turning at the end of October, I thought the QQQ would lead the way up. Boy, was I wrong. The Dow has probably been the strongest index, and the QQQ has been lagging behind. However, if it can just get through 60, it could play catch-up. The next upside targets for the QQQ beyond 60 are 69 and 76. Key support is seen at 50. Now we'll look at some individual stocks. The first stock is Intel or INTC. The upside target for Intel is 34. Key support lies at the August low of 1760. The next stock is Heinz or HNZ. Heinz appears to be ready to break out to a new all-time high. When a stock or trading instrument breaks out to a new all-time high, the upside potential is wide open. Our target for Heinz is 75. We want to see it hold support at 47. The next stock is HCN. HCN is a healthcare real estate investment trust. The upside target for HCN is 72. Key support lies at the August low near 41. Next, we will look at Intuit or INTU. Intuit rallied to a new all-time high last year. It pulled back when the market weakened in the summer, and now it looks like it's ready for another run. We have an upside target of 70 with key support at 40. The next chart is Chevron or CVX. Chevron hit resistance at 110 and stalled about 5 times last year. It looks like it's ready for a breakout. Our upside target is 130 with key support near 85. ConocoPhillips or COP also appears to have excellent upside potential. The next upside targets are 86 and 95 with key support near 58. McCormick is another stock that reached a new all-time high last year. After a shallow pullback, it looks like it could be ready for a further advance. The next target is 67. Key support lies at the August low near 43. The Limited, or LTD, has been very strong since the 2009 low, and it doesn't look like it wants to slow down. The next upside targets are 51 and 63. We want it to hold support near 29. Next, we have Northeast Utilities, or NU. NU is another stock that reached an all-time high last year. After a shallow pullback and a 7-month pause, it looks like it's ready to run again. The next upside target is 50, with support at 30. The next stock is UPS. The upside target for UPS is 90, with key support near 60. Next, we have Sempra Energy, or SRE. The upside target for SRE is 70, with support near 44. The next stock is Assurant, or AIZ. The chart for Assurant is wide open above 42. Open space means it has room to run. The next upside target is 58 with support at 30. The next stock is Merck, or MRK. Merck built a base near 30 for about a year and a half. Now it looks like it could be ready for a breakout. The upside target is 52 with support near 29. Pfizer is another good-looking drug stock. The next upside target for Pfizer is 34 with support at 1650. Yum is another stock at an all-time high. Who knows how high it will ultimately go? Our next target is 80. We want to see it hold support at 47. The next stock is Lockheed Martin, or LMT. If LMT can break through resistance at 88, the monthly chart will be wide open up to 120. Our target is 100, but it could ultimately rally to 120. Support is seen at 65. The next chart is CELG, or CELG. The upside target for CELG is 84. Support is seen at 48. Next we have Chicago Bridge and Iron, or CBI. CBI had a nice 2-year rally before the recent pullback. Now it looks like it's ready for a further advance. The upside target is 60. Support is seen at 24. The last stock of the day is Deere & Company, or DE. The next upside target for Deere is 100. Support is seen at 60. If you decide to buy calls on any of these stocks, please be sure to buy plenty of time. That's the message for today. Good luck and good trading.